Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open the browser and just go to roblox.com. Once you are on the home page, you just need to tap on this menu button over here and just tap on Avatar, and now you just need to tap on this AA option and tap on this request desktop or site website. Now you just need to tap on hair and body and go to here. Now you can see that right now my avatar has only one hair, and if you want to wear multiple hairs, you just need to hold a new hair and copy the link address and open a new tab from here and paste the ID over here and just copy the asset ID from this link address. Tap on select, tap on copy, go back to avatar page, and here you will see the advanced option. Just tap on it. Just tap on this blank asset ID and paste your asset ID and tap on save and save again, and your two accessories will be selected. You can see, so that's how you can select multiple accessories. If you want to select multiple here, you have to repeat the same steps. That's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.